Stop. Before you click away, I have one question for you. Have you ever sat in a meeting, nodded along, when someone said, "We should leverage AI for this," and had absolutely no idea what they meant? You are not alone. I am Artie. I have been training IT professionals for over 30 years. And in every single room half the people are nodding. Almost nobody actually knows what is going on. So, let me introduce you to Ravi. Ravi is an IT professional. Smart guy, great at his job, but every time AI comes up, Ravi freezes, because no one has ever explained it in a way that actually made sense until today. Think of a bakery. The baker has read thousands of recipe books. When you walk in and say, "I want something sweet, not too heavy, for a birthday," the baker does not Google it. They just know, from experience, from patterns. That is AI. Millions of pages read, patterns learned, questions answered, instantly. By the end of this series, Ravi, and you, will know exactly what AI is. And what to do with it, at work. No coding, no jargon, just the truth. Drop a comment below if you have ever nodded along in a meeting, with absolutely zero clue what was happening. I will see you in the next one, where Ravi visits the bakery for the first time.